Just as the three seasons direct affect us, they affect all other living things too. Not only animals, but plants are also affected. The tree you can see it has got affected. There are no leaves, no flowers on the tree. We see these changes taking place in the living world every year, year after year. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangal. Pangal means pan. Pan is leaf. Pan is a leaf. Gal means fall, falling. Gal means falling of the leaves. Gal. Gal means falling of the leaves. Pan means leaf. So Pangal. It is in fact a joint words. That is because many trees shed their leaves in winter. Many trees shed their leaves. Shed means they get rid of the leaves. The leaves fall down. The coat of many furry animals become thicker in winter. The coats, the coat means the hair on the animals. It becomes very thick in winter. This keeps them warm in the cold season. Such growth of hair is especially noticeable in animals like sheep and some type of goats and rabbits. The hair of the sheep is known as wool. Warm clothes are made from wool. The end of winter is also the time for mango trees to start blossoming. Blossoming means the flowers start appearing. These blossoms are called mohur in Marathi. Mohur. You can see mohur over here. These are all mohur, the white ones. The green ones are the leaves. These are the leaves, whereas these are the mohurs, the flowers. At the close of the month of February, it becomes warmer, and by March, we begin to feel the heat. It's time for summer. So how does the change take place from winter to summer? By the close of the February month, means the ending of the month, it becomes warmer. By March, we begin to feel the heat. It's time for summer. In this season, means in summer, many trees get new leaves. Forests appear to have taken on a copper color because of these leaves are reddish and shiny while they are tender. So, what color do they acquire? The trees acquire copper color. Copper is red color, reddish, bright red color is copper color. Because these leaves are reddish and shiny while they are tender. Tender means just new, very new, small in size. That color changes to green as the leaves grow bigger. The leaves which appear reddish initially become green as they become bigger. The call of the koel, the call of the koel is heard in many places. In summer, the market is full of mangoes. In summer, the market is full of mangoes and watermelons for us to buy. This is the season for fruits, for these fruits, mangoes and watermelons in summer. In this summer season, what fruits do we get? Mangoes and watermelons. Although mango trees grow all over Maharashtra, the Konkan region is particularly famous for its mangoes. The mangoes in the Konkan region, they are very delicious. The mangoes grown in Konkan region are very delicious, very sweet. It is also the season for cashew nuts. You can see the cashew nut. Cashew nuts. These are the cashew nuts. The reddish yellow cashew apple, this is known as a cashew apple. This is known as a cashew apple. Cashew apple can be seen growing on the cashew trees on the hillsides in the Konkan region. In the Konkan region, you can see the cashew trees, and on that you can see cashew apples. This is known as a cashew apple. In June, black clouds, these are the black clouds. Black clouds make their appearance. The rainy season is a short way away. It is about to arrive. By this time, we begin to get jackfruits, jamuns. Jamuns are Java plums. In English, we call them as Java plums. And karvandas. Karvandas are some kind of berry. The seeds of grass and other plants lie scattered all over the ground. Seeds of grass can be seen scattered. Scattered means spread all over. They sprout and start growing as soon as it begins to rain. Sprout means, suppose this is a seed. Sprout means the roots start appearing and the leaf part also starts appearing. So the leaf part rises above the ground and the root enters into the ground. This is known as sprouting. Sprouting of the seeds. They sprout and start growing as soon as it begins to rain. It becomes green everywhere. So it becomes green due to what? Due to the grass. The seeds were scattered, and the seeds, from the seeds, when they sprout, we start getting grass, and the whole field becomes green. This greenery is soothing after the hot summer months. So we feel like it is very pleasant to our eyes. The greenery appears very soothing to our eyes after the hot summer months. Sometimes we can see even the rainbow. You can see the rainbow in the picture with its 7 colors. What are the different 7 colors? Vibgyor. You can find from the word Vibgyor. So let us try to find out what colors they are. The violet is inside. Then next is indigo. I for indigo. B for blue. B for blue. Y for yellow. Sorry, I have missed G. I will write it again. VIBGYOR. Do these make 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Vibgyor, 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Red is the outermost circle. The innermost is the violet. Next to it is indigo, then blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Here you have got the violet. Violet. Second one is the indigo. Indigo. The third is the blue. Then the green, yellow. This is the orange. Orange. And the outermost is the red. As it becomes wet everywhere, frogs appear. We also hear this loud noise from frogs that is known as croaking. The croaking noise we can hear. As the rainy season ends, it is time for winter to make a comeback. It gets colder and colder. This is not good for the frogs. They go deep under the ground for a long period of slumber. Slumber means sleep, which lasts for 7 or 8 months. So you can imagine the frog, that is known as hibernation. So sleep, they go in slumber, long period of slumber. They don't move. They don't even move outside. They just go into the long slumber of 7 to 8 months. We depend on agriculture for food. What are the different seasons? Summer, winter, and the rainy season or the monsoons are the time for doing different kinds of tasks. The different seasons are the time for doing different tasks in the field. What have we learned? Needs of all living things are met in the environment. There are different needs for different living things. My need is different than the need of a bird. Your need is different from the need of a cow. So, this is the first point. Second point, some arboreal animals. Arboreal is the word obtained from the word arbor. Arboreal animals like monkeys and squirrels live in trees and feed on them. Feed on them means on the fruit on the trees. Their droppings help the trees to grow in the new places. The dropping means the toilet, the shit which they give out. It helps trees to grow in the new places because when they eat the fruit, they eat it along with the seeds. And the seeds, they are passed on undigested in the shit of the birds. So the seeds are transferred to new places and there the new trees grow. Some birds build their nest in trees. Each type of living thing thrives where all its needs are fulfilled. So this is very important. Each living thing can thrive. Thrive means stay alive or live only if all its needs are fulfilled. It should get water, it should get food, it should get shelter. If all these needs are not satisfied, then it will not be living over there. The tigers, example, tigers live in grasslands. Where do the tigers live? In grasslands. And Aquatic plants live in water. Aquatic means aqua means water. Aquatic plants means plants in water. They live in water only. The next, changes in seasons affect living things. In winter, how do they affect? In winter, trees shed their leaves and animals' coats grow thicker. Animal coat means the hair on animals like sheep, it grows thicker. At the start of summer, trees get new leaves. This is the third change. Third change which we observe is the trees get new leaves. And the fourth change which we observe in rainy season is it becomes green all around. Frogs appear and crops grow in the fields. Always remember, the environment changes with the seasons. Living things have to adapt themselves to those changes. Exercises. What's the solution? Gurpreet has to go for a hobby class on a hot summer afternoon. It is very hot. So you have to tell her what she should do in order to protect herself from the heat. So what can she do? Carry an umbrella. Carry umbrella. Second thing is wear light cotton clothes, light color, white color cotton clothes, white or light color cotton clothes. And third is drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. So she has to take care of herself and she has to go under the shelter as soon as possible. Think and tell. Number one, if water collects in fields due to heavy rains, the crops growing there rot. Why? Basically, the roots are adopted to take in water, whereas the stem has to stay out of water, but it is not adapted to staying in water. If the water collects, suppose this is the ground and this is the plant, this is the ground level. If the water collects over here, water collects, this part is the stem and these are the roots. Stem is not supposed to be in water. It is not adapted to water. So it will rot in water. Second question. Why do we not get a good crop? Not get a good crop if we do not get good rains. The requirement of a plant is water because it is also a living thing. If there are no good rains, then there is insufficient water to the plant. So we cannot get good crop. Third question. Why does the Indian rat snake, Dhaman, it is known as Dhaman, live around fields? Because you see, in the fields there is grain for the rats to eat. So the rats, they feed on Grain. Rats need grain to eat. And snakes. What do snakes need? The snakes need rats in order to eat and meet their food requirement. So Indian rat snakes will be living around fields. Fourth question. If there are furry animals living in snowy regions, would their coats be thick or sparse? Sparse means thin. Thin, thin. So, will their coats be thick or thin? Definitely thick. Why? Because they need to protect themselves from the snow in the snowy region. The snow is the water, the water which has become ice from the cold. So it is very, very cold. So the coat has to protect the animals from the cold in the winter. Which fruits are following places in Maharashtra famous for? Nagpur, oranges. Devgarh, mangoes. Jalgaon, bananas. The remaining you have to find out. Why do you think these fruits grow in those particular regions? Find out and write the information you get. Share it with your classmates. How are plants useful to us? Plants, how they are useful to us? They provide us with food. They provide us with fruits. They provide us with wood. Wood is used for burning as a fuel, or wood is used in making furniture. Then the fourth use of the plants, they give us shelter. Fifth use, because of plants, the underground water level rises. Underground water level rises. Underground water level rises. So we can dig wells in order to get water during the summer season. So these are the uses of the plants. What is meant by arboreal animals? Arboreal animals are animals which stay on trees, on the branches of the trees. Why do they stay there? In order to protect themselves from the tigers and lions. Third question. What changes do we see in trees at the beginning of March? By March, we begin to feel the heat and it is summer. In this season means in summer, many trees get new leaves. Forests appear to have taken a on green color, on a copper color. The forests have taken copper color because of these leaves are reddish and shiny while they are tender. Tender means just grown leaves. They just come out of the branches. The color initially is reddish, but slowly it turns into green color as the leaves become bigger. and we can hear the koal's sound in many places. In summer, the market is full of mangoes and watermelons. These are the fruits of the summer season, fruits of summer. After rainy season, or the monsoon, after rainy season, winter comes again. We keep animals because animals meet some of our needs like milk and meat. Third, we spray insecticides. From the word insect, we have the word insecticide. So we spray insecticide to prevent insects from attacking plants. Winter is also known as the season of Pangal. Pangal.